let's dive a bit deeper into the property marketing process. The goal of the property marketing process is, of course, to market the property for showings, as well as to keep the owner up to date on their property. Property marketing can be broken down into 2 active stages, 1 on-hold stage, and 2 outcomes. Each stage includes the steps of the process that must be completed before moving on to the next stage. The create listing stage includes steps such as ordering the marketing signs, scheduling marketing photos, placing a lockbox on the property, creating the listing as coming soon, confirming the rent-ready work is completed, updating the listing to ready for showings, and notifying the owner that the property has been listed. Next, the process moves into the property listed stage, which has tasks for a series of weekly updates to the owners about showings and applicants. If the property isn't listed within a certain number of weeks, the process moves automatically to an on-hold stage, which has a task to review the property to see why it hasn't been leased yet. Once the property is leased, it will move into the property leased stage. There is also a canceled stage in the process, which asks you to add a note as to why the process was canceled and start the management cancellation process. This process utilizes email templates to make sending those weekly updates to the owner easy. Remember though, this template is completely customizable to make it fit your marketing process.